Hello and welcome back, guys. This is Ibrahim Quraishi here, and today I'm going to discuss what's new in vCenter server. I have done a full video on all the features which I like. Link in the description below. I have got the permission to share this content with you. Special thanks to VMware, Corey, and Amanda for sharing these slides with me for creating my content. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Ibrahim Quraishi. My Twitter handle is Ibrahim Quraishi, and I have been an vExpert last year and this year as well. My blog is agileops.co.uk. Be sure to subscribe to my blog and my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So this is a quick disclaimer. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Next up is another interesting topic which Intel has been developing recently, which is called Security Enclave. Before application can use vSGX, which is software guard extensions, the CPU in the system must support Intel software guard extension. The system BIOS must support Intel software guard, which is obvious because your BIOS should support it. First of all, Intel software guard extension must be enabled in the BIOS. It's not just basically having it there, you need to obviously enable it. Intel software guard extension platform software or PSW must be installed on the system. So there is a platform software which is called PSW, and that needs to be available and installed on the system for you to be able to use this. Now, I have been telling what you need to do for having this enabled, but what is it exactly? It's basically hiding or keeping a secret from your operating system and the hypervisor. So you can have data which is sensitive, and your developer can choose to um, use the Intel software guard secure enclaves to protect that data. So all your data which the developers are hiding is basically hidden from the OS. We are not saying that the OS or the ESX hypervisor is unsecure or they have a problem, but we all know sometimes we run on cloud, we run multi-tenants and everything like that, which basically may have some exposure to unwanted parties can access those data. So that is why you have your application, your operating system is trying to access it, and virtual machine is trying to access it, virtual machine manager is trying to access it. So you get the access only via the right channel. That's also very important to keep the data consistent. Another thing we need to remember is this is Intel only. AMD has SEV, which is different approach, and application can move sensitive logic and storage in the enclave. Intel Software Guard extension allows applications to work with hardware to create secure enclave that cannot be viewed by the guest or the hypervisor, as I said. Now, what is the disadvantage? I guess obviously it's a good feature, and VMware obviously is supporting it, so that people, if you want to use it, if you have a customer, you can say, if you do want to use it, this is the hardware you need to buy, and you need to be running vSphere 7, and we still obviously we fully support it. But what is the downside? The downside is instantly, because you're not sharing the memory from with the hypervisor, with the guest OS and the hypervisor, so you instantly lose the option to take snapshots, because obviously these things are very tightly coupled with memory, and again you can't have vMotion enabled on these VMs. So that's a downside which you need to remember. Okay, thank you for watching. Question of the day today is, what are the new features that you like? Comment on below and let me know, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all the new updates from my YouTube channel and my blog agileops.co.uk. Enjoy watching and keep sharing. Cheers. Bye.